A suspect accused of killing a woman in a New York hotel and attacking two others in Arizona is back in court. New video shows 26-year-old Rayad Al-Mansouri being taken into custody. This was in Scottsdale. Prosecutors are refusing to extradite him back to New York because they say they can't trust the Manhattan District Attorney to keep Al-Mansouri behind bars. Dre Clark joins us live from New York City this morning. Dre, another really eerie piece to the puzzle here is that investigators say Al-Mansouri was potentially planning more attacks.
Yeah, good morning to you, Markie. Investigators certainly believe that they may have stopped the potential serial killer with the arrest of Rayad Al-Mansouri. Investigators say at least two of his victims talked extensively about his eyes and how they seemed to go completely black while he was attacking them. Al-Mansouri has a preliminary hearing scheduled later this morning in Arizona, where he's accused of stabbing two women, including a younger worker inside a McDonald's bathroom. Now, before those attacks happened, Al-Mansouri is accused of killing a woman inside a New York City hotel. Investigators say he explained in brutal detail how he murdered 38-year-old Denise Olaez Arancibia, choking and beating her with an iron after he claimed she shorted him on time for paid sex. He was then seen leaving the hotel wearing Arancibia's leggings because his pants were, quote, too bloody. Now, prosecutors in Arizona say they will not extradite Al-Mansouri back to New York City to face a murder charge because they believe Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg is too soft on violent criminals. Meanwhile, Bragg denies that claim and calls what they're doing in Arizona grandstanding and politics at best. Last week, we spoke with a woman who says Al-Mansouri attacked her at her Florida home last April. Leah Palian says she begged authorities not to release Al-Mansouri after he nearly choked her to death.
Where I could feel I was not being taken seriously. And I said to them, I said, hey, if you let this man walk with a slap on the wrist, he is going to turn into the next Ted Bundy. Like, all the signs are there.
Now, the former state attorney who handled Palian's case was suspended by Florida Governor Ron DeSantis last August for, quote, neglecting her duty to faithfully prosecute crimes in her jurisdiction. The current state attorney, Andrew Bain, released this statement saying, in part, that after reviewing all of the evidence and facts related to the case, we concluded there was insufficient evidence to prove that sexual battery and aggravated assault charges beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, at a hearing in Arizona yesterday, a judge denied bond for Al-Mansouri, so he will remain in jail. Meanwhile, his attorney reportedly telling the judge that Al-Mansouri is schizophrenic. Markie.
Yeah, really. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.